Hey everyone, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and the review of these Boult audio Bluetooth earphones. They call Flow X and they comes around rupees 1000. So yeah, that's a budget Bluetooth earphones. So let me just quickly unbox it and we'll see what is hidden under the hood.
That's what she said.
And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, that will be really helpful. So as you can see, the first thing that we have got is the earphones itself, and we have got some other stuffs as well. So here's the micro USB cable to charge it up, but don't worry, you can use any micro USB cable lying around, or you can use this one, but it is pretty short, so yeah, it just comes down to your personal preference. And we have got some extra ear tips and some extra horns that you can put on your earphones, So yep, that's it. And we have got some leaflets, some quick start guide and user manual kind of things. So let me just keep this side and we'll look at the earphones itself. And the first thing that you have noticed is they are magnetic, which is a pretty usual feature, but I think it's pretty nice to have, So, and talking about the microphone module, as you can see, we have 3 buttons, 1 LED light and the microphone. And the 3 buttons that you have are actually not that much tactile. Like whenever you click them, they will not get clicked pretty easily, so you have to press it a little bit hard, but that's not a deal breaker or anything like that. But yeah, that's how it is. And here we have a charging port, which is an micro USB port, so you can just connect your micro USB cable to it to charge it up. And as you can see, the little rubber cap over there is kind of a it's pretty fragile, so you have to be a little bit careful with it, because if you're a kind of rough user, you can break it. Just have to be a little bit careful. And to turn it on, you just have to hold the middle button, and once you see the red and blue light blinking, that means it's in pairing mode, and after that you can just simply pair your phone with it. And the pairing time is also pretty short, so you don't have to worry about all of that. So talking about the looks of these earphones, they actually looks pretty good, and you can get them in blue and the silver color as well. They doesn't feel like they are budget earphones or anything. They feels pretty good as they are well built. We have Boult audio branding on the band itself, and not only that, the build quality of the earplugs is actually pretty good. As you can see, they are made up of metal and they have magnetic feature as well, which is a pretty good thing, and they are actually pretty well built, to be honest. And the flexibility of the band itself is also pretty good. You can flex them, so whenever you wear them or just remove them, it's gonna be pretty easy. So overall, I think they are well built considering the price point of these earphones. Talking about the comfortability, they are pretty comfortable. The ear tips are soft enough, so if you are a user who used to watch movies or listen to music for a longer time, you can do that. They will not hurt you, and in my experience, I haven't feel any kind of pain or anything. So yep, they are pretty good. And if you don't like these horns, you can remove them. They are actually pretty removable, so you can just remove them, get rid of them, just like me, because I hate these horns in every freaking earphones. I just don't like them. Or you can just simply use the one with different size. It just comes down to your personal preference. So overall, they are pretty comfortable. Now talking about the battery life and charging time, this is the part where they shine. Like, charging time is around 1.5 hours, which is not much. And talking about the battery life is again pretty great. The battery life claimed by the company is around 16 hours, but they will give you around 12 to 13 hours of playback time, which is again pretty great. And these are the only earphones in this price range which comes with this much battery life. Like, most of the earphones in this price range have like 7 to 8 hours of battery life, but these ones are actually on fire. So if you are a guy who prioritize the battery life, then these are the only earphones you can get in this price range. So which is a pretty great thing, to be honest. The battery life is really good. And now talking about the sound quality, then again the sound quality is really good considering the price point of these earphones. And I would say, comparing it with the Boat 255F Pro, and or even comparing with the JBL Infinity one, I think these are the earphones which have a really great sound quality. And in terms of bass, they have a really nice bass. The bass is punchy, so if you're a kind of guy who loves bass, then they have a really nice one. And in terms of high tones, they lack a little bit in high tones, but not that much. So overall sound quality is pretty good, and I would give them like 8 out of 10. which is again pretty good. So yeah, that's all about it. So if you just want to buy these earphones, I have the link in the description, so you can just check them out. And if you simply like this video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. That'd be really helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.